LinkedIn traffic generation, raw, uncut training. LinkedIn traffic generation. If you're seeing this right now, chances are you're already aware that LinkedIn is by far the largest business oriented social platform around. The general objective of the platform is to allow users to create a network of other professionals. It's particularly useful for the exchange of ideas, information, and other opportunities. As a matter of fact, As a matter of fact, approximately 1.3 million small business owners and professionals just like you are on LinkedIn to gain new prospects, enhance their online presence, generate leads, and build their overall brand awareness. The owners know this, and as such, they provide an ad service that can also assist you with getting new potential clients, starting at a minimum budget of $10. Above all, though, LinkedIn is considered a social media networking site, specifically developed for business professionals and even entrepreneurs. There's a number of things that set LinkedIn apart from, say, a Facebook page or another network page. LinkedIn allows you to design a customized business-oriented profile that highlights things such as work experience, skills, endorsements, education, curated posts, and in basically your entire professional presence. On the profile page, a summarized view is displayed to viewers. You can establish connections with other people by using the in-mail messaging service to expand upon opportunities and network. The platform is an acknowledged approach to advertise your presence online. As such, if you're searching the web to discover new professionals, LinkedIn results will be given priority in the results. This course will assume you already have an understanding of LinkedIn and how it works, so we'll skip over that. Instead, we're going to focus on how you can use LinkedIn for both traffic generation and also as a useful marketing tool as well.